Using the dispenser. In this video, you will learn how to use the dispenser option. The dispenser allows printing in peel mode, where the label is removed from the liner and presented after printing. Ensure media is loaded, the printer calibrated, and the top cover is closed. Turn on the printer. Press the feed button several times to advance the labels. Open the printer. Remove several labels from the liner. Lift the liner over the top of the printer. Open the dispenser door. Push the liner through the slot. Pull the liner taut. Close the dispenser door. Close the printer. Press the feed button to verify proper operation. Set the operation mode in the driver to peel off to activate the dispenser label taken sensor. See the printer user guide to use programming to activate the feature. The following label is processed and presented when the presented label is removed.